2006 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, clock, power windows, power door locks, reading lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.